Hello students, I am Anant Ponde, Assistant Teacher, Girls High School Anji Moti Varda. Today we discuss Mathematics Standard 7, Chapter number 1, Geometrical Constructions, म्हणजेच भौमितिक रचना. Question number 3. Draw an obtuse angle triangle and a right angle triangle. Find the point of concurrence of the angle bisector of each triangle. Where do the point of concurrence lie? In these questions we have to first draw the obtuse angle triangle. म्हणजे आपल्याला सर्वात पहिल्यांदा obtuse angle triangle काढायचं. Obtuse angle triangle म्हणजे काय? The measure of one angle is greater than 90 degrees. म्हणजे एका कोणाचे माप 90 अंशापेक्षा जास्त असते. आणि then we also draw right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means measure of one angle is 90 degree. Then next find a point of concurrence of a angle bisector of each triangle. आणि प्रत्येक कोणाचा आपला angle bisector काढायचा आहे. Where do the point of concurrence lie? आणि त्याचा point of concurrence म्हणजे तिन्ही angle bisector ज्या point मध्ये intersect होतं तो ट्रायंगलच्या आतमध्ये होतोय, ते ट्रायंगलवर होतो की ट्रायंगलच्या आउटसाइडला होतो हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टुडंट्स. तर फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ obtuse angle triangle. So let measure of angle PQR is equal to 120 degree. म्हणजेच अँगल क्यू चे मेजर आहे 120 डिग्री. दॅट इज अँगल क्यू इज obtuse angle. So let's draw the angle obtuse angle triangle. With the help of ruler we draw segment QR first. Give the name. Here is the Q and this one is R. Then we draw the angle Q. At point Q we need to draw the angle of 120 degrees. Then put the protector on point Q. म्हणजे point Q वर प्रोटेक्टर असा ठेवा की सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल फॉल्स ऑन point Q as shown here. दाखवल्याप्रमाणे प्रोटेक्टरचा सेंटर हा Q बिंदूवर असला पाहिजे आणि बेस लाईन किंवा लाईन ऑफ रेफरन्स ही सेगमेंट QR वर यायला हवी. आता या ठिकाणी पहा Q बिंदूच्या राईट साईडकडे सेगमेंट QR आहे म्हणून आपण या ठिकाणी पहा 0च्या मार्कपासून प्रोटेक्टरवर ज्या मार्किंग दाखवलेलं आहे 0 पासून 180 पर्यंत आणि राईट टू लेफ्ट जाणार आहोत. राईट साईडकडून लेफ्ट साईडकडे म्हणजे अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन जाणार आहे. 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 आणि 120. Here is the 120. Look at students here. Here is the 120. We mark the point 120. This one is 120. Mark point here. This one is point 120. Then zoom out. Then with the help of ruler, रुलरच्या मदतीने एक सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करू. आणि हा जो सेगमेंट आहे हा सेगमेंट आपण जो पॉइंट मार्क केलेला त्या पॉइंटमधून जाईल. Put the ruler and draw the segment passing through point Q and mark. Then join the end point. Join the point P and R with the help of ruler. Lift the ruler and zoom out. Give the name point P or vertex P. We know that in triangle there are three vertices. Here point P, point Q and point R are the vertices of triangle, and side PQ, side QR and side PR are the sides of triangle. This is required obtuse angle triangle. Measure of angle Q is 120 degree. Then let us bisect each angle one by one. So एक एक करून आपण angle या ठिकाणी bisect करू. To bisect the angle, put the compass on vertex Q as shown here and draw a mark, circular mark. Draw an arc intersecting the segment QR and QP. Name the point of intersection. We give the, here is the point A, this one is the point B. To bisect the angle Q, take convenient distance in the compass and put the pointed tip of the compass on point A as shown here. Then take convenient distance and draw an arc, circular arc. Put the pointed tip of the compass on point A as shown here. Then zoom out and draw an arc. Keeping same distance in compass मध्ये सारखंच अंतर ठेवून put the pointed tip of the compass on point B as shown here. Look student here, म्हणजे compass मध्ये सारखं अंतर ठेवून या ठिकाणी आपल्याला draw an arc intersecting another arc. We get the point of intersection. We give the name here. We give the name X. With the help of ruler, put the ruler on point Q and X as shown here and draw the ray QX. Lift the ruler, show the arrow. This is ray QX is the angle bisector of angle PQR. Ray QX bisect the angle Q into two equal parts. Then we bisect angle R. Put the compass on point R as shown here. Then zoom out. Draw an arc intersecting the segment QR and QP. We get the point of intersection. We give the name. Here is the point C, this one, and this one is the point D. Then take convenient distance in the compass and put the compass on point C as shown here. Put the compass on point C as shown here. Then draw an arc. Then keeping same distance, put the pointed tip of the compass on point D as shown. Then draw the arc intersecting first arc. Give the name of point of intersection. We give the name Y. This one is Y. Draw a ray passing through the point R and point Y. Draw the ray passing through point R and point Y as shown here. Show the arrow. Here ray RY is the angle bisector of angle R. Put the compass on point P as shown here. Draw an arc intersecting the side of triangle PQ and PR as shown here. We get the 2 points. We give the name. This one is the point E and this is point F. Then again take convenient distance in the compass. Put the pointed tip on point F. Take convenient distance and draw an. Again keeping same distance in the compass, put the pointed tip of compass on point E as shown here. Draw an arc intersecting another arc. We get the point of intersection. We give the name Z. With the help of ruler, draw ray PZ. Here all 3 bisectors of a triangle intersect at one point. See here. We give the name I. This one is point I as shown here. We see all 3 bisectors of a triangle intersect at point I. All 3 bisectors of triangle intersect at one point. Therefore, all 3 bisectors of a triangle are concurrent, and we give the point name of that point is I. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाचे तीनही अँगल बायसेक्टर हे कॉन्करंट आहेत आणि जो पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करन्स आहे त्याला आपण आय नाव दिलेलं आहे. The second part of this question is, where do the point of concurrence lie? The point of concurrence lies in the interior of the triangle as shown here. Then we see the second part of this question. We have to draw a right angle triangle. We know that which triangle is called right angle triangle. कोणत्या त्रिकोणाला आपण राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल म्हणतो की ज्या त्रिकोणामध्ये एक कोन 90 अंशाचा असतो. या ठिकाणी बघा, हियर triangle in triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Then first draw here is segment BC. This one is B, this is C. At the point of B, we have to make right angle. So, put the center of protector on point B as shown here. Baseline of protector falls on segment BC. On the right side of vertex B, there is segment BC. So we count the mark from right to left. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here is 90. Take a point. With the help of ruler, draw a segment. Draw a segment. Here is the point A. With the help of rulerच्या मदतीने आपण segment AC काढू by joining the point A and C. Point A आणि C आपण जोडून घेऊ. Draw segment AC. This is the required triangle ABC. Measure of angle B is 90 degree. This is right angle triangle. Then we bisect the triangle. Then we draw angle bisector of triangle. So let us bisect angle B. Keep the pointed tip on point B as shown here. Draw an arc intersecting the segment AB and AC. P, this one is point Q. Keeping convenient distance, put the pointed tip on point P. Draw a circular arc. Then put the pointed tip on point Q. जे pointed tip आपल्याला Q वर ठेवायचं आहे. Draw another circular arc intersecting another arc. This one. We get the point of intersection, we give the name. This one is point X. With the help of ruler, join the point B and X and draw an ray BX with the help of ruler. Show the arrow. This one is point X. Then we bisect angle A. Put the pointed tip of the compass on point A as shown here. An arc intersecting side AB and side BC. Here is the point of intersection. This is the point R. This one is point S. Put the pointed tip of the compass on point R as shown here. Keeping convenient distance in the compass, draw a circular arc inside the compass. Draw a circular arc inside the triangle. Then, keeping same distance, put the pointed tip of the compass on point S as shown here and draw an arc intersecting another arc. Draw an arc intersecting another arc. With the help of ruler, first we give the name. This one is point Y. With the help of ruler, draw a ray RY. This one is the angle bisector of angle A. This is AY is the angle bisector of angle A. Then again bisect the angle C. Take convenient distance, put the pointed tip on point C as shown here. Draw a circular arc intersecting the segment AC and BC. We give the 2 points, we give the name. Here is the point T and this one is the point U. Here is the point T and this one is point U. Then put the point, keep the convenient distance on the compass, put the pointed tip on point U and draw an arc inside the circle. Draw an arc inside the triangle. Then keeping same distance, put the pointed tip on point T as shown here. Draw another arc intersecting first arc. Here is the point, we give the name. This one is the point Z. With the help of ruler, join these 2 points to get the ray ZC. Put the ruler on point C and Z. Put the ruler on point C. Draw ray here is the ray CZ. Ray CZ is the angle bisector of triangle. All three angle bisector of triangle intersect at one point here. We give the name of that point is, this one is point I. This is the required figure. In triangle ABC, all three angle bisector are concurrent the angle bisector lies inside the triangle. The point of concurrence lies inside the triangle. Then we see next example.